Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is like a hair kit. I'll show you guys what else in here, and we will see what we got here. It's by GLAKER, I guess is what it is here. I'll probably end up aiming you guys down so you can see it a little better. I'll do that right now. So there we go. So this is all of the stuff. Let's move it right here. So here we have the cutting device with a head on it, I guess. So there we go. That comes off. And so this is what it looks like here. So if we were to use it, this one here comes off, and we'll be able to do a little shaving kind of stuff on that. That would be a good, nice close shave, and that would be a little bit further away. And then we could take that off and use this one here, which is a more heavy-duty cutter. And does it come with tips? It does. Look at that, all the different tips for it. So let's check it out. It even comes with the oil in there too, so we can lube it up. Let's check this out though. So also over on this side here, we have a little brush, or a comb, two different sided comb, and a wire to charge it through USB to USB-C. So here we go. So if we're going to be doing like our beard trimming and we want it to be nice and long, we could put that long tip on there. Does it have a number on it? It says it's a 9mm. So that would be if you want it 9mm long. We also have a 12mm, so that one's even longer. 6mm, 3mm. Looks like those are them. We also have a little brush, and the way it works, it looks like here you got the little power button there. Oh, it's got a lock on it. I wonder how you get the lock off. Hold it down. So there we go. So now we are trimming. So if I was to do it there, well, that works. Cut my leg hairs, and that's how it works. So that's pretty cool. So you can and you just pull off the little head. So here, if you wanted to get really close or do like, I guess that would be maybe for like your nose. You could stick that in. Oh no, this one here is for your nose right here. This is like a spinning one, so you can spin it on your nose. Ooh, it's gonna get my nose. So there's that. So that's pretty cool. It's got all the different little pieces and parts that you need. So it's nice to have a kit that has everything. These two look pretty similar. I guess just one's a little bit thicker, coarser, and the other one's a little thinner for thinner hairs. So how cool is this? Nice little set. And let me see how it even goes back together like that. You just kind of stick all these pieces in here. And it looks like this is the device here, and it's rechargeable through there. So nice and convenient. And it's nice to have a little setup here to have a little bag, so you can just stick it in here and have it always ready to go like that. And then all these little pieces will go in here. And now just kind of keep that under the counter, and you're ready to go whenever you need to do some trimming. And here's the little instruction manual for it too. It kind of probably explains what each of the heads are for. It's got them all listed here, so you can figure out what they are. And we were doing it right. You can charge it from your computer even, or you can charge it from just a battery pack or plugging it in. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.